Car battery technology spans from traditional lead-acid solutions and maintenance chargers to high-output lithium and specialty packs designed for car audio systems and performance builds. As vehicles and electronics demand more reliable and efficient power, selecting the right battery or power accessory becomes critical for reliability, performance, and safety. Product number 1. NOLI Sodium 30Ah battery for car audio systems up to 8. This limitless lithium NOLI 30Ah battery is purpose-built for high-wattage car audio installations, claiming capable operation up to 8,000 watts with a nominal voltage around 14.2 volts. It's a purpose-specific lithium solution aimed at reducing weight and providing stable high-current delivery for amplified systems. The form factor is compact for a 30Ah pack, which is 6.88 by 5.65 by 6.5 inches and weighs 13 pounds, aiding integration in trunk spaces or under seats where weight savings matter. Key specifications include a 30AA continuous rating and a model number NOLI 30AH with favorable reviewer sentiment, 5/5 from 2 ratings. Prospective buyers should note that this is tailored for audio systems, not general vehicle starting power. Performance and use case analysis. Product number 2. Car battery terminal connectors. This budget-oriented accessory from Moly Magnolia provides a 4-way terminal disconnect setup compatible with SAE JIS Type A posts. It shifts as a pair, positive and negative, and includes multiple insulation sleeves, cleaning brushes, anti-corrosion washers, and a hex wrench for installation. Brass and steel construction emphasizes corrosion resistance and electrical conductivity, aiming to reduce voltage distortion and transmission loss across multiple connections. At $6.63, it's a cost-effective upgrade for mounting versatility and improved terminal access in complex wiring harnesses. Performance and use case analysis. The product is designed to simplify multi-branch connections at the battery, which can be valuable in vehicles with aftermarket audio, lighting, or auxiliary systems. Product number 3. Yonhan Battery Charger 10A 12V. The Yonhan 10A Smart Charger is an all-in-one solution functioning as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator for 12V and 24V lead-acid batteries. It supports AGM, GEL, SLA, and flooded chemistries, and features temperature compensation, a backlit LCD, and a repair mode intended to rejuvenate marginally sulfated packs. It is designed for diverse vehicle types, from cars to boats, with an emphasis on safe automatic operation and monitoring. Performance and use case analysis. In practice, the charger's temperature compensation and dual voltage capability make it versatile for winter storage or seasonal maintenance. Product number 4. Noco Boost GB40 1000A Ultra Safe Jumpstarter 12-volt lithium battery booster pack. The Noco GB40 is a compact 1000A lithium jump starter with integrated USB-C power delivery, LED flashlight, and spark-proof reverse polarity protection. It's designed for quick starts on engines up to 6.0 liters gas and 3.0 liters diesel, delivering high cranking power from a palm-sized unit. It's a perennial bestseller in the jumpstart category and includes a rugged IP65 rated housing and heavy-duty clamps with a 1-year warranty. The absence of a listed price in the provided data suggests it tracks as a mid to premium portable starter option, with broad consumer appeal for emergencies and everyday use. Performance and use case analysis. In real-world use, the GB40's lithium chemistry and high peak current enable rapid starts in compact form factors. Product number 5. 7 inches by 59 inches car battery insulation kit. The TWA-Cap insulation kit is a high-density 5mm or 0.2-inch battery wrap designed to shield car batteries from extreme temperatures and engine vibration. It features a self-adhesive backing for easy installation and is specified to withstand temperatures up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit or 982 degrees Celsius during installation. Although this figure is typically an outside the ordinary rating for insulation materials. The wrap is sized broadly, 59 inches long, width suitable for most batteries, and can be trimmed for a snug fit across many battery models. It's positioned as a protective accessory rather than an energy source or charging solution, aimed at extending battery life in harsh climates. Performance and use case analysis. In practice, the insulation blanket can reduce sulfate formation and internal resistance by maintaining a steadier battery temperature in extreme heat or cold.